Imagine an air cooler that fits in the window, has 60% better cooling of air, has auto water filling system, occupies zero space, and a frontal design that is so cool that it instantly mesmerizes you. Unbelievable, right? Introducing Tricool Air Cooler from Crompton Consumer Electricals Limited. But before we speak further on Tricool air coolers, let's understand how air coolers work. An air cooler works on the principle of evaporative cooling. Hot air passes through a wet medium honeycomb, due to which water vapors evaporate into the air and is blown forward using the fan. The quantum of honeycomb determines the cooling capacity of the air cooler. Higher the honeycomb, higher the cooling. This is one of the reasons why people buy huge mammoth-sized air coolers that permanently eat away space and aren't aesthetically pleasing either. What if I told you that the Tricool air cooler is more compact, requires zero carpet area, has an aesthetically pleasing honeycomb frontal design and is still as powerful as any air cooler? In the new Tricool air cooler, the surface area of the honeycomb is 6 square feet, which results in 60% better cooling of air. Tricool, unlike other conventional coolers, draws fresh air from outside the room, which results in better cooling as well as ventilation. It has a 16-inch fan, which gives the customer the highest air delivery in the category, thus providing best-in-class cooling comfort. Tricool components are made up of ABS, which is a sturdy and long-lasting material, while the outer body is made up of metal to endure the harsh temperatures and weather conditions. The cooler has a water tray that can be slided out to fill or refill in water as and when required. The tray is wide enough so that while filling the water does not spill over while manual filling. Tricool also has the option of auto-filling the tank, so no more worries about filling water into the tank of spillage of water. The tank of Tricool is blow-molded and all the components are mounted on the tank for easy access and better serviceability. Being window-mounted, Tricool air cooler require zero carpet area within the house. It also saves customer the hassle of looking for space to keep his cooler post the summer months. Tricool is designed keeping in mind the need of modern houses and customers who look for value, performance and aesthetics. The Tricool air cooler fits in beautifully with the layout of any house, has a very high aesthetic appeal, elegant design and is power-packed to provide the best cooling comfort on the hottest days. This cooler will surely be a prized possession in your house and a center of attraction for one and all even after the summers are gone.